I was having problems with the liftgate mechanism on this 2008 TrailBlazer, and it's the little stud pin inside where the gas piston hooks to the top of the liftgate. So the first thing you have to do is take this side panel off, this trim panel. I've already done that on the other side, but this trim panel is hooked on by two connectors, which are these that fit into the holes, and those can just be pried out carefully because it's plastic, but you can pry those out. I used a couple of screwdrivers and the studs just pop out of the hole, and then the trim slides off to the side. The next thing you have to do is, of course, find the little pin that's our culprit, and I'll show you that. I'm going to set this phone down while I brace up the tailgate because I don't want it falling on my head. So bear with me here for just a second. Okay, we're back in it now. I have the liftgate propped up so that it won't fall over. And this is the issue that you might have. If this little pin is loose, then the piston will not fit on it. So I had to get to the back side of that in order to tighten that up. So it's a 10mm nut on that little stud pin. So I'm able to just hold one side and then tighten up the other side. I'll do that and then I'll show you the results of that. I'm tightening up, holding that little pin on the inside and tightening it from the back side. Get that nice and tight. So now I have that same pin that was an issue, and now it's tight. And if it's loose and wobbly, my piston kept falling off and the tailgate would slam shut, of course. So that's the procedure. That's what you're looking for if you have a loose stud bolt that's holding your piston up. Hope this was helpful.